My name is Natalia. Welcome to the channel uaLearner. In this video, you will learn Ukrainian regular vowels. If you have watched my previous video about Ukrainian alphabet, you probably remember that there are 10 vowels in Ukrainian language. There are 6 regular vowels and 4 mutated vowels. Today, we will focus on the regular vowels. They sound as follows: A, O, U, E, I, and E. So, as you can hear, Ukrainian and English vowels sound quite similar. Letter A creates similar sound like in word butter, O like in thought, U like in book, E like in head, I like in sit, E like in meat. Although I have noticed that people who start learning Ukrainian language often mispronounce I and E sounds. And before we practice reading all the regular vowels, I really want you to learn the difference between these two sounds, because same as in English, you have to distinguish words sheep and sheep, sit and sit. It is important to distinguish I and E, because it does change the meaning of the words in Ukrainian language. So, sound I is very similar to English short I sound, like in words sit, sheep, and E is quite similar to English long E sound, like sit, eat, sheep. Most of those people have problems with pronunciation of I. It's all because of length. In Ukrainian language, there is no such term as a length of the sound. We do not have short vowels, long vowels. All the vowels are equal in length. Ukrainian sound I is longer than an English short E and still shorter than an English long E. It is somewhere in between. So, taking all this information into account, when you want to pronounce Ukrainian I sound, you need to start pronouncing short E sound and prolongate it like sit, I, 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 I. The best way to remember the difference between I and E is, of course, by comparing them in a minimal pair. In our case, minimal pair is I and E. English examples are it, 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 eat. Ukrainian examples are kit and kit, 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 it, kit, eat, kit. Kit is a whale and kit is a male cat. And there are plenty of such cases when I and E change the meaning of the word. Here are some examples. Рис, ріс, бик, бік, дим, дім, кишка, кішка. Congratulations! You are now a specialist of distinguishing Ukrainian I and E sounds. Now we can finally start practicing all the regular vowels. Feel free to repeat the example words after me. Words with letter A. Справа, частка, трава, Панама, avocado, жаба. Words with letter O. Око, голос, вогонь, коробка, опис, город. Words with letter U. Мука, рука, кучугура, музика, культура, купа. Words with letter E. Небо, ребус, метр, берег, інтерес, мета. Words with letter I. Ірій, ікання, вихід, мило, мило, тип, нібито. Words with letter E. Лікар, пісок, пиріг, літо, місто, постійно. Now you know all the Ukrainian regular vowels. Don't forget to subscribe and check my next video about Ukrainian updated vowels. See ya! Bye!